Hi, and welcome to Cario, your all-in-one freight management software. Now, one of the biggest challenges that we see in freight management is when it comes to the invoice reconciliation process. Well, with Cario, it's as simple as, well, let me just show you. All right, in this video, we'll walk through the accounting section. By the end, you'll have a clear understanding of how to efficiently execute the invoice reconciliation workflow with ease. Okay, so click on Accounting and navigate to the Upload Carrier Invoice section. Here, start by selecting the carrier, then upload the invoice in a CSV format by clicking on the designated box. Once uploaded, a notification will confirm a successful upload. Next, proceed to map the invoice, a one-time setup per carrier. Double-click the invoice to access the mapping screen. Enter the charge account number and fill in the net and GST fields. Then match each column's data to the appropriate header. If any details do not align with the correct header, click the pencil icon to adjust them. So here, we're changing the date. Okay, once all the headings are correctly mapped, click Generate Invoice. You will be redirected to the Carrier Invoice Reconciliation section. To begin reconciling an invoice, simply double-click on the one that you want to review. The invoice breakdown will display a comparison between Carrier's estimated charges and the carrier's invoice charges. Items highlighted in red indicate overcharges, while those in blue signify the undercharges. Streamline your workflow by using filter options such as prioritizing shipments with the largest weight discrepancies, or click on the conto number to begin reconciliation. Easily identify discrepancies and take action by accepting the dimensions, adding internal or customer notes, and deciding where to weight the charge based on the carrier's invoice or retain your current charges for you to dispute on them. You can also reconcile multiple entries at once by selecting multiple lines and clicking the box icon on the top right corner. For quick manual calculations, use the built-in calculator widget within the invoice reconciliation menu. All right, thanks for watching.